Yeah.
When you overshoot it like that, you did it right. Collect yourself. Don't try to hit the next one. Just, you know, regroup, because you want them to all flow. When you overshoot like that and you land hard, you're better. You did the right thing. Just stop and you start all over again. You got to go faster with that one. But you gotta get back. You haven't rode the bike in a while. You gotta get some seat time again and get comfortable. You know, come out here, ride some laps, ride for an hour. You know, and then once you've done that one like 100 times, then came up a little short, but it was still good. It means you need to go a little faster and lean back and pull up a little more at the top of the jump. Just kind of shift your body weight back a little bit and pull up at the top. Yeah, that was a little bit. It's alright. It happens.
I thought that was in outer space.
Yeah, well, you definitely overshot it. You know, you don't want to go that fast. Faster than you were going before, but not as fast as you just went. And you did everything perfect. You pulled up, the bike was positioned right the whole way through the air. You just had you were a little too hot on it. Perfect. Oh, yeah. Come on. This is when overconfidence starts to come into play right here. Like if I told him to go for that
All right, Jay, look, keep that same confidence level, okay? Don't try anything differently than that, okay? Same energy.
Don't get cocky.
It's coming in.
I feel like landing for the second one isn't right.
It's short. But that's how you gotta start small. It out eventually. That's really just like a speed check, because from the first jump you're going